Welcome to Garden Glow. If you're dreaming of growing more in less space, this DIY vertical planter guide is exactly what you need. Whether you live in an apartment or have a tiny backyard, vertical planters can transform any small space into a blooming paradise. Let's get started. First, choose your frame. Old wooden pallets, plastic bottles, or a hanging shoe organizer. Yes, even that can become a vertical garden. Choose something that fits your space and can hold soil and drainage. Second, prepare your containers. If using bottles or pots, poke small holes at the bottom for drainage. Add a thin layer of stones to avoid root rot, and then fill with rich potting soil. Third, pick the right plants. Go for compact herbs, succulents, or shallow root veggies like lettuce, mint, spinach, or strawberries. These thrive vertically and look lush too. Fourth, mount your planter securely. Use strong hooks, zip ties, or wall brackets depending on your wall or fence. Make sure it's getting enough sunlight for your chosen plants. Finally, water smartly. Start watering from the top and let gravity do the rest. Add mulch to retain moisture and reduce your watering effort. And that's it. You've created a space-saving, eye-catching, and eco-friendly vertical planter all by yourself, ready to turn your wall into a living garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Garden Glow. We post simple, budget-friendly gardening tips every week. Let's grow green, even in the tiniest spaces.